everyone, so today I'm doing a does it work video on another lip plumper product. The last time I did a video on a lip plumper like product thing was those sucky little, I can't even remember what they're called, but you know, like the red things. I'll link my video down below. I'm pretty sure it's my most viewed video on my channel, so thought I would try a different one today because this keeps friggin' stalking me all over Facebook. Obviously for some reason the ads are tracking me, and the little sponsored video did and still does just show up all over my Facebook wall. So eventually I gave in and I bought it, which is exactly what they wanted me to do, because I thought it would be really interesting to see if it really does work as well as the girls in the video say it does. I don't know if they were like sponsored to do a video on this. I am not sponsored. I bought this with my own money. I'd never previously heard of the product, so we're just gonna do like an honest first impression and see if it works. We're so sure you'll love your Juvalips results that we offer a 30-day money-back guarantee along with a 1-year product warranty, which is pretty cool. This little box, I got the bonus pack, which I've got the website just here. I bought it off myjuvalips.com and it costs $129 US, I suppose, $129, and it says it used to be $187.90, so there you go. It comes with the lip plumper device, which is this thing here, and it comes with a removable mouthpiece, another mouthpiece, 20 pack of felt pads, a microfiber carrying bag, and 2 AAA batteries. It says your purchase includes 26 total replacement pads. These pads will last for hundreds of uses. Additional replacement pads are available here, so you can buy some more. And it comes with the extra mouthpiece so you can share it. I don't think I'll be sharing it. Not sure if Hamish would be interested in this product, but that's cool, I suppose. So I've already applied my lipstick the way I normally would on my lips right now. If you're new to my channel, these are my natural lips. I don't have any fillers or anything like that, and I do overline my lips slightly. So you'll see when I take off the lipstick to use the product where my natural lip line is, but I decided to just put on my lipstick as normal so we could see, you know, the difference with how I normally do my lips, because if there's no noticeable difference from like this look that I would normally wear, like why would I bother using it? So this is my natural lips, and the lipstick I'm using is Kairos by XO Beauty. It's one of the new shades. It's a matte. I love this color so much. It's so flattering. And I'll also link down below this makeup look if you're interested. It was the worst of Mecca video, testing out the lowest rated products on Mecca. So yeah, link down below. Okay, so it's got the features on the back. Let me run over these quickly. It has a soft contoured fit, which provides a gentle and comfortable seal. A removable mouthpiece for easy cleaning. It's compact. It's got a pressure regulated pump, which gives safe and reliable results. Apparently this is safer than those like sucky little mouthpieces because it doesn't suck too hard. I think it's something about the shape, and it's way less likely to cause bruising or burst capillaries or anything like that. It's got a push button control and a replaceable felt liner which applies equal pressure on your lips, which I suppose would also help to prevent bruising. So inside comes in a few different pieces, so I guess this is the extra mouthpiece, and it's got a little user guide which we will use, and then this is the device, so it is quite small. It's kind of like the size of an epilator. It kind of looks like an epilator slash adult wear slash bedroom things. We've got the batteries, the felts, and some more felts. So first off, I've just popped that and I'm going to put in the batteries. They actually gave me good batteries too. You know, sometimes when you order stuff and it comes with batteries, it's those like really rubbish, random, no brand batteries that last for like 10 minutes. Okay, it's not too loud, which is good. It's already got a felt little thingy in there, so I guess that's how you do it. You just kind of place it in there. I'm not sure if you can see. Reading the instructions. Okay, do not use the Juvalips device for more than 1 or 2 of the timed 60-second applications during the first few times you try the device. Okay, so in this video, I only want to do it 1 or 2 times. Small percentage of users may experience mild discomfort or minor bruising until you've used it a few times. Once it's been established that a person's tolerant to 1 to 2 uses, you can increase to 4 to 6 if needed after the first few days. I think I read as well that you can use it like before bed, and if you use it consistently, it can actually help to like not permanently, but like semi-permanently plump your lips. Because normally with these kind of things, you know, it lasts for like a couple hours, but I think the more you do it, the longer the results will last. So you could start doing it like every night and it might last, well, something like that. I don't know. If any of you guys had any experience with that, let me know in the comments. Okay, install the batteries. done. Wet your lips or apply lip balm before using. Obviously, we'll do that in a second and we'll take off the lipstick. And then it says you just place the device against your lips and push and release the power button. Allow an airtight seal to form. It is automatically timed and will stop after 60 seconds. So you should allow your lips to be pulled into the hole. And then after your first application, you can check the results and repeat. As you become more comfortable using the device, you can experiment with working it around the lips to get the desired result. For example, you can work the top or bottom lips independently if needed. Do not overuse, blah, blah, blah. And then you can pull the mouth guard from this to clean it, just using mild soap and water. And that is that. So it seems pretty straightforward. Let's do it before and after. So obviously this is my before. And I've just put on quite a bit of chapstick. This is just a chapstick, strawberry flavor. And it's a little bit around my lips too. Obviously I'll have to touch up my foundation. Let's just try this. So I'm just gonna do it and I'll speed up the process so you don't have to watch me. Are my lips bigger? I think they are mildly bigger. There's not like a dramatic difference. So just quickly, first impression on that. It's really gentle. I thought it was gonna be a lot stronger. You can semi-easily pull the device off your lips. What I mean by semi-easily is like if you just relax, like it's not gonna like fail, like your lips stay put. But if you like pull, it comes straight off, which I kind of like, because it's kind of scary thinking that your lips could get like stuck in there. I don't know, that might just be me. No, it was actually quite gentle. You could definitely feel it, but it wasn't uncomfortable to use. It wasn't too strong, it didn't hurt in any way. And I feel like my lips are mildly more plump. They're not dramatic, so I reckon we should do another one and see how it goes. The little thingy fell out. I think they look bigger, but again, it's not dramatic. It's not as dramatic as those ones you suck yourself, but I think that's because I would like suck really hard. I'm gonna do another one. The downside of this is it is taking a while. Like, you know, if you learn that you want to use it 6 times, that's 6 minutes. You've got to sit here. I wish it was like a little bit stronger, but I can understand like safety and all that, and you don't want to bruise, but at the same time, it just takes a while. Okay, now I feel like I'm getting results. If I get bruising, it's obviously my own fault at this stage. I'm gonna do it 1 or 2 more times on my top lip only, because I feel like I've already got a quite full bottom lip. It's my top lip that's a little bit thinner on the sides. So we're just gonna try and do 1 lip now, and I'll tell you how easy it is. Okay, it's really hard to do 1 lip at a time. I'm just gonna have to do the whole mouth again.
12 seconds later.
I can see a difference, but I mean, it's nothing dramatic, personally. There was a few times as well, but I mean, maybe once I put on my lipstick, I'll be able to tell better, because once again, like, my lip line, I usually overdraw it a little bit, which I'm still gonna do, because it's just how I roll. I just feel like that took such a long time. My lips do feel quite good though, like, it's quite invigorating. I feel like my top lip's a little bit poutier out the side. My bottom one looks maybe a little bit bigger, but very similar. My top lip definitely looks a little bit more like plump. It would be quite cool if they created another attachment that was smaller, so you could target areas, like target your top lip or something. Like even if it was like half the size and you could like massage or something, it'd be quite cool. Maybe if they see this video, maybe they could take that on board. Okay, now I'm using Kairos again. Okay, yeah, my top lip is definitely plumper because it feels different to apply my lipstick. Is this how people feel when they like first get lip fillers? Like you don't even know like what you're doing with your lipstick? Are my lips much plumper? I can definitely see a difference, but is it worth that amount of time to do this every time I put on my lipstick for temporary result? I think I'm gonna keep trying this at nighttime, like before bed, and like see if it makes an overall difference in my lips over time. Here's a before and after. So obviously the left is before and the right is after right now. So the pros of this product for me, it does work over time. It's really comfortable, it's easy to use, it doesn't hurt, it feels quite safe to use, like how I said you can easily just pull it off if like you're in any discomfort. I like the actual like device, like it feels really comfortable to hold in your hand, it's relatively small, so if you wanted to travel with it, it's not too much of an issue. It only takes 2 batteries, which isn't too bad. It would be cool if it was rechargeable, but also I'm quite lazy with recharging things, so it doesn't really matter really. The negatives, it does take a while. I feel like the results aren't as extreme as what I saw on their advertising, but different lips, different people. Obviously individual results probably do vary. Some people might have more extreme results than I did. I was kind of hoping for something quite dramatic, I guess. Like, that to me wasn't that dramatic. I feel like the other ones I used in the last video, once again I'll link it down below, I do feel like they worked more extreme, but I can definitely see how they're more dangerous. They are way easier to like screw up. You can easily bruise yourself or pop your blood vessels with those ones versus this one felt a lot safer. Overall, would I recommend this? I guess it just depends what look you're going for. It is quite expensive, but obviously it's a tool you'll have for ages. You just need to realize that you have to repurchase these, I guess, each time you use them. These are what helps the suction come through evenly, apparently. So they literally just like pop out like this and you just pop it back in. So it was an interesting product to try. I'm on the fence about it. I'm gonna keep trying it and I'll keep you updated, but yeah, that's my review. Let me know what you thought of the results down below. Like, would you be happy with that? Were you expecting more? Are the results too extreme? I don't think that's gonna be the case for anyone, but who knows? Just let me know your opinion down below. Let me know if you've tried this, if you've got any other tips or hints and tricks or anything like that to get it to work better. I wish I had the same results as I saw on some of those girls on the ad, but you know, I just didn't. So that is my review. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.